Queer Imaginings is a series of curated works that all speak to queerness at different points in our life cycles. It's about being together, it's about telling stories, it's about sharing with each other, and it's about building connection.
I think creativity is the beating heart of community connection. So much of our queer history and our queer expression has been inbuilt into creativity. I mean, so much contemporary and modern art is queer culture.
There's just nothing that compares to working with queer people on a queer project.
Being, like a young queer brown kid, never truly felt like I saw myself represented. It really informed my decision to make sure that I centred those people in those communities. Since we've started working collaboratively with Midsumma, we've been able to do that with ease.
At Midsumma, we want to offer communities the chance to gather, connect, and learn new things in creative and playful ways, and we believe that artists are at the forefront of understanding how to offer that. In curating this program, we were really looking for a common thread. The thing that connects each and every one of these projects is that they are all looking for connection. They're looking to reach out and invite community in.
Bringing people together who often don't have opportunities to gather, to experience what I think of as solidarity as a community, that is a really important part of the artistic process for us.
Sometimes you can exist in silos, but when silos of kindred spirits join up, it's a very powerful and electric and joyous thing.
Parents and their young people have to do so much talking about identity and about where they fit in the world. The more we can give those conversations an opportunity to be playful and exploratory and exciting, the better. And I think Midsumma is the perfect place.
Art is for everybody, and it's really important to broaden people's horizons.
I'm not normally a person that likes to be in charge, but I really love being able to almost project my views and my voice in a space that it matters.
Artists have always seen us through tough times, and it's my hope that this program will continue to support audiences and community to understand themselves more and also to understand each other more. Queer Imaginings is here to welcome you in. It doesn't matter if you are 5 or if you are 95. We want you to come along and be part of it.